Let's go.
Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Not again, not again, not again. Oh man, oh.
What was that? Is there?
But you can't even see my lineup now.
Like, what the fuck? Look at lineup, that's what they say.
You have a lineup, look at that. Look at that.
Oh.
Yo.
What's up, guys? Welcome back.
It's been like...
To what, Alex and Axel? That's what it's called today?
I think we...
Have you ever had a dream that you could...
I think we evolved. We've evolved from that shit.
We've been gone for too long. He's still out here stuttering. Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
I was checking out. That's what I was checking right now. My tongue. See if I have any twists in my tongue right now. I still got my tongue twisted. Been like 8 months, right? He's still stuck in February.
What the fuck?
It's been too long. He's still stuck. I just on frozen, like the Avatar.
For today, we just decided to
Part 2
of what?
The blood prank. Hell yeah. It was
Hell
good.
yeah. The bloody prank at the gym.
We'll start benching 3 plates.
Hell yeah. That's what we're gonna be doing.
Yeah, fucking good. We're gonna bump it.
From the shoes up.
You already know what's going on. Dang gang, I'm fucking with you.
Hell yeah.
All black G facials, dude.
We're up to no good.
All black G facials. Let's get it. Oh shit, yeah, just like that, just like that. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Nah, hell no. Keep going, keep going. Get him with a badass underhook. Badass underhook, hell yeah. I hit him, swing back, step back, and then hit him like a super one, super one. I like that. Hell yeah.
I don't box.
Oh.
I don't box.
Oh. Oh shit, make it.
You good? I would go wash my hand.
Oh, you got blood on you? Ah, shit, look, wait. You fuck.
Fine, guys, you want tall or what? No. Huh? Huh?
You're fine.
You don't have it. No, I'm playing, bro. It's a prank.
Yeah, we
It's a prank, yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah.
I was like,
how'd that feel? How'd that
that
feel?
was not blood.
I was gonna get you right after you hit me, but I don't know.
Nah,
it just felt more
that's
realistic. I was trying to get you to hit me hard, like super hard.
Yeah,
That's what I didn't want to like hurt.
Yeah, it's just.
Does it come off or not?
Yeah,
yeah, it comes off, Yeah. You just came here to stay and shit, bro.
That scared the shit out of me, bro. That scared the shit.
Bro,
Yeah.
my bad.
bro.
It's all you.
One more.
Let's go.
One more.
Come on. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. fucking shit.
Bro, that boy, yeah, he does coaching, bro.
Yeah. Oh, you're bleeding? What the fuck?
Fuck it, bro.
Is it blood? He's bleeding.
Blood, bro.
What the
Hell yeah,
fuck?
bro.
Tears, dog.
Oh, blood, sweat. Tell him. Blood, sweat, and tears.
That's what it
That's how we
takes,
do
man.
it. Keep doing your thing, man.
out, brother.
Keep doing your
Great
thing.
meeting you guys. I'll see
All right,
you
you too, man.
What's up, bro?
Fine. Can you start for this?
Yeah, sure.
Nervous, bro.
Just go down with him, yeah. Go down with him.
Yeah? I had 1 meal the whole day.
Wait, why? Huh? Work till one.
I have like a headache and it's fucking good.
There's a lot of weight for having a headache, bro.
Yeah, bro. You're crazy, you know what I'm saying?
No, dude.
Wait. Oh, what the f... You good?
Oh, shit.
Wait. For real? Wait, for real?
This is a prank, isn't it? This is not a prank, right?
I don't know.
I think he's pranking you, bro.
Get him,
Oh,
get him a
bracelets?
toalla, get him a
Get cut?
toalla. Get him a toalla.
Over here? Did your braces cut you?
Huh?
Is it a cut?
I think I'm gonna pass out.
No way.
For real?
Yeah, I'm dizzy.
Nah, you only eat fucking ate once today too.
Huh?
You only ate once today too.
You're doing that shit, bro.
Why you sweating so much? You good though?
Not good.
Well, you look like you look like a Tampa. You look like a Tampa.
Man, ask him how he feels, bro.
That wasn't real? Nah.
He pushed the fuck.
Dude, it doesn't look real. That's what I'm saying.
Not when it's you,
Dude, but you're a good actor, huh? Because the way you got like Greek and shit.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, what the fuck do I do?
That's good, bro.
Yeah.
Damn.
I don't know whether to spy you hard or just let you drop that shit.
I don't know, man.
You a bitch.
You failed me, though. You failed me.
bitch.
You buried me already. Dude, I've been dead for the past week.
Oh, that shit ain't. You know what? In your honor, let me hit this shit.
Go ahead.
Nah, I'm kidding.
Go ahead.
This is my homie.
My nigga, bro.
His name's Eddie.
You're my trainer right here.
I just saw him at the gym that I go to, so I had to get him for the one time.
Hell yeah, bro.
How'd you feel?
I was a little scared, but something looked sketchy. Axel, he's not a good actor. He's not a good actor, man.
Why?
Rewind real quick.
Bro, what was he saying? Like, is it real? Is it real?
He's a bad actor. How was that?
This motherfucker was laughing from the goal.
Nah, his name was good though. Yeah, he was like,
So
he felt weak as fuck, so I don't know what to do.
You think I should get an Oscar? Or?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I give you an Oscar, bro.
Damn. What about your performance?
Shot. I'm a camera guy, man.
If you made it this far, you might as well like, comment, share, and subscribe. And give us some video ideas down below. We're trying to stay consistent this time around. Let's get it!
Alex and Axel, yeah, we coming up.